worksheet assignment on Flat for Education. So first go to your resource library and click on New Assignment. From there, click on the Worksheet section, Create, and you have your settings menu for the worksheet assignments. So you can add a title, you can add a description. The descriptions are useful when you want to share the assignments with other teachers. Then you add a subject. Here I will put music theory, grade 7. These will allow you to use the filters to search for your assignments. And then you can leave instructions as well. Once you have done this, you can select the extra setting to shuffle the questions. This means that the order will be different for each student, which can avoid cheating, for example. And by default, the grades are released immediately, which means that it is automatically graded. But if you want to manually review every single student submission, you can also do that. And then you add exercises. So from there, you can browse through the different sections and choose the questions you would like to ask. So if I go to the rhythm section, for example, and want to do beat counting exercises, I would click on beat counting, choose my time signature, choose the durations I'm interested in, and my counting system, and then I can select the number of questions I want to be generated. If I want to add exercises, I can click on the Add Exercise button and add more questions on the same topic or on a different topic. Again, you will have specific settings for each topic depending on the topic. Once you're done adding all of your assignments and questions, click on Done, and your assignment has been published in your resource library.